Action. Okay. Oh, first let's do the giveaway. So since we were supposed to do it last Sunday, and Stacy forgot, and I tried to do it on Monday, and Stacy forgot. So, oh, you can say something now. Now you was all popping off on take one of this video. You can run your hole back there when you're the one that made the mistake. Yeah, See, all of a sudden, got a whole bunch of Toby Keith going on now.
Well, okay, let's talk about my cute Quick Performance shirt that I got that I'm so excited about.
So, here's the giveaway. So, Stacy said, pick 2 letters, and I picked J and G. I don't know why, just something that popped into my head. So, I guess she was going by their first name. So, we're going to send
Jet King.
And
Gary Cook.
We're going to send you a memorabilia piece off a Reaper. Well, because we still got a bunch of burnt parts, and instead of selling them like we were doing, I'm just going to give them to all the guys on the supporter page.
That's a great idea.
Because it means more to you guys than it will to anybody that's buying it. So I just soon give it to the supporters on the supporter page, and there's still a whole bunch of stainless rockers, and there's a bunch of stuff still that we have. So Jet King,
Gary
Cook, message the page, message Stacy so we can get your address, and we're going to send you a rocker arm and a free t-shirt.
Thank you guys for supporting us.
Yes, it means a lot. We've been losing people on the supporter page, and I don't blame them because we haven't been doing our job properly. But it's been with the surgery and everything else and the whole remodel. You guys see the fucking shop looks fantastic.
Looks like a whole new shop.
The realtor came yesterday, and we're fixing to put it up for sale. Stacy's got a shit ton of parts. There's parts everywhere that she's putting up for sale, already has.
All that stuff is posted on the Out of Time Motorsports page. If you guys would please
share it.
Like that page, share that page. I tried to share the page over to the Reaper page, and for whatever reason, it's not working out for me like I wanted it to. So it'll only let me share it to my personal page, and my friends don't want to buy parts. But my Reaper friends do.
I'm the only friend you have, Stacy.
Exactly. Well, I'm not selling you any more parts.
That's just wrong.
My only friend that wants to buy parts.
I'm selling my shop so I'll quit collecting shit. Because now I got 11,500 square feet of area to shove shit in. And
you're doing it.
No, I'm not. I haven't bought nothing in a long time.
Oh, we just spread it all around.
Right now, I'm just gathering everything up to get rid of. So I'm getting rid of all the 14.5 degree shit. There's just a whole bunch of stuff. Well, show them the back room.
Yeah, this room.
And the thing is, with Stacy pricing it, you guys are getting a smoking deal. Because she has absolutely no idea what that stuff costs. So she's just throwing prices out there that you just have to quit telling me what you sell.
That's what I came to the conclusion of last night. I was like, you know what?
The bad part is you haven't let me gather up the stuff I need for my cars.
Well, you better get to moving because I'm pitching this stuff.
Oh, I know. Okay.
And my disclosure on there, for people, this makes it real easy for them. I'm not your engine builder or your car builder, so I don't know if it's going to work for you. I've listed part numbers and everything I know about it. And no, I don't have any Ford or Chrysler stuff, and Google is your friend. If you have a question, Google is your friend.
And the thing is, guys, the reason I don't sell this stuff is because, I mean, it's used stuff, but some of it's like brand new, but at the end of the day, it worked when it came off a car. Everybody that knows me, 350,000 people that follow me here on Facebook know I don't lie. I don't pull fugazi bullshit on nobody. It's all good stuff. Because if there's a problem with it, I'll throw it in the trash. But I can't guarantee an MSD box when you hook it up backwards and put a fucking battery charger on it and blow it up. But everything that I have came off of a running car at some point or another, been sitting on the shelf. And there's a whole shop out there full of shit. So Stacy's got to list a bunch of this shit for sale. I told her maybe we ought to do an open house one day and spread all this stuff out around the shop and let people just come in and have our own indoor swap meet. I got enough stuff to carry a swap meet.
Yeah, you do.
By myself. Because and it's stuff that I'll never run again, guys, and it's all great. I mean, it's great stuff. All I want to do is keep the parts to put my cars that I'm going to keep back, back together. Everything else I'm going to get rid of. I mean, Stacy and I made a very, well, we were talking the other day, and I'm tired of my life being so hectic. I'm tired of Stacy and I fighting because I can't get done what I need to get done, and she tries and she can't get shit done because we just got so many things going on. So we're gonna simplify our life. And if it means me getting rid of every car that I have, so be it. Because my marriage and my family mean more to me than this shit. And it's just, guys, to be honest with you, I run 24/7 and I'm tired. I am getting tired. So, I mean, you guys see there's parts everywhere. Every building's full of shit. And hey, cool part is, look at this. Look at that. Huh? Mm-hmm. What's up, girl? What's up? What's up? 220. That's 35 pounds. So eating's still kind of jacking with me, but it's that surgery so far has been a huge plus for me. But Stacy's gonna keep listing stuff for sale. We've had the guys down here all week. Now we have a job we need to go start. So stuff's gonna keep getting listed. There's no point in sending a message to Stacy going, do you have this? Do you have that? Because
I don't have time to look for it.
No.
To just be perfectly honest. I don't have time to look for it. But as soon as I get a free minute to sit down for a couple of hours like I did yesterday and post everything, I will.
Well, and that's the thing.
Checking, because I have no rhyme or reason to when I'm going to post this stuff. But I am gathering it up, cleaning it up.
I'm going to make a conscious effort the next 2 days to go through here. That was part of what this was about. I'll explain all this in the next video. But there's so much stuff here that's came off of cars and over the years that I bought and all that stuff that's great parts for you guys, but really doesn't serve a purpose to me. I want to get down, and as bad as this sounds, I want to get down to 6 cars. But that's a huge difference from 35. So, Monty Smith Memorial car. Stacy put it up for sale the other day, and a guy's coming to look at it Friday, and it's probably going to have a new home. So, there's the giveaway. There's the story on the parts. We'll do a video and explain this and what's going on here on the next one.
And for the supporters, that page is for you guys. Please give me your input as to what you want to see, what you want to know, because we'd love to interact with you guys more. Just tell me what you want.
And that's the thing, there's no rhyme or reason to these videos. No. Some of the videos go, and you know, guys, to be honest with you, you guys sharing the videos is a big deal because that makes the videos go bigger. And when the videos go bigger, that brings more people into us. I mean, honestly, it helps with the shirt sales and everything else. Mm-hmm. So the more you guys share these videos, the better it is for us, the better it is for you guys. And I told Stacy, we got 1 or 2 things we're gonna do. We're either gonna shut that supporter page down, or we're going to start giving them the attention that they deserve for supporting us. Mm-hmm. So this is our way of doing it. Guys, hey, listen, Stacy checks that page all the time. So if we're getting lax on putting a video out to you guys or interacting with you, you know, please say something. It's not going to hurt my feelings. You're not going to bother me. I get so much shit going through my head. I got 17 brain cells left. And those things are like this all the time. A day, a week, a month. A month seems like 2 days to me. Mm-hmm. I have no sense of time. So, I mean, and that supporter page is very, very important to both of us. I know it's hard to tell by the way we treat you guys, and we both feel bad about that. Yeah. We don't have no sense of time. Now Stacy don't have a sense of time. Mm-mm. So we're kind of screwed on that end. So, you know, help us out. If you guys want to see a video on something, hey, tell me, because I'll stop what I'm doing to do you guys a video. I seriously will. Because you guys mean all our fans mean a lot to us. The supporter guys are really fucking special because you guys have jumped on there, and I mean, we've done minimal for you. Yeah. And I personally feel terrible about it. But I told Stacy, we either make a conscious effort to support our supporter page, or we got to shut that page down. So this is our way of trying to give back to you guys. whole bunch of burnt parts that came off of the cars. There's some stuff that came off the cars in the past. We're giving it all away to the supporters. If you're on the supporter page, Stacy's just going to grab a random number or a random letter. We're not going to do a drawing because she's just going to make a list of people that we give it to where somebody don't win 4 or 5 times.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I like the pick a letter I like the pick a letter thing.
Well, okay. So, there you guys go.
All right.
We'll explain this conglomeration in the next one.
To our next episode of we started on one subject and went way off on the other.
Yeah. ADHD.
All right.
We're out.
We're out.